Are you trying to take control of your finances but feeling like something's just not adding up? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 budgeting mistakes that could be holding you back, and most importantly, how to fix them. Let's jump in. Mistake number 1, not tracking your expenses. If you're spending without knowing where your money goes, it's like trying to build a puzzle without all the pieces. Here's the fix. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet to track every dollar. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Mistake number 2, overcomplicating your budget. Your budget doesn't need to feel like rocket science. Stick to the basics: income, expenses, savings, and a little for fun. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point and adjust as needed. Keep it simple and you'll stick to it. Now, mistake number 3 is sneaky, ignoring small purchases. Those daily coffees, streaming services, or takeout meals might seem harmless, but they add up fast. Instead, give yourself a fun spending category so you can enjoy guilt-free while staying on track. Mistake 4, forgetting irregular expenses. Things like holiday gifts, car repairs, or annual memberships can wreck your budget if you don't plan ahead. Pro tip, create a sinking fund for these expenses and contribute a little each month. And finally, mistake number 5, failing to adjust your budget. Life changes, and so should your budget. Got a raise? New expense? Revisit your budget regularly to keep it realistic and aligned with your goals. And there you have it, 5 budgeting mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination.